Dartmouth is a liberal arts college in New Hampshire. We have about 5,500 undergrad students, about 1,500 grad students across a variety of professional schools. When I started at Dartmouth in 2011, we had about 4,500 devices on the wireless network. Yesterday, we topped 27,000. The last time that we installed a wireless network was 2011, 2012, designed for handling capacity and speeds that were adequate 8 years ago. But today, with everybody carrying a tablet, a cell phone, a laptop, it simply can't handle the demand anymore. What is really interesting about IT at a university, you really face all the different facets that IT could possibly take. Dartmouth is 99% residential. These kids literally have their home at Dartmouth for 4 years. You have classrooms full of 400 students at the same time taking internet-based testing. Our medical school nowadays does all of their testing online. On top of that, you have research generating terabyte-sized data sets. We're no longer at the point where Wi-Fi is the primary access method, it's the only access. You genuinely have people who are never going to plug any device ever into a network again. So in order to address all these needs, we're currently deploying is comprehensive 5 GHz coverage with Mist. When we started evaluating the various vendors for our wireless refresh, all the other vendors were still running the same legacy architecture that hasn't changed in 10 years. Mist brought a modern look at that. It's also built ground up with an API. So if you're looking to automate workflows or tie wireless into other parts of your IT infrastructure, a well-formed API is obviously the best way to do that. We challenged Mist on all your competitors do wired and wireless, and you're a wireless-only company. And they basically said, hang on, can you give us 24 hours? And the next morning, they invited us to a meeting with Juniper. Once we sat down with Juniper, what they put on the table together with Mist was very, very impressive. And we really saw that synergy of being able to not just automate one aspect of the network, but really go nuts to bolts. All of this also really plays into our current drive to get back into what at Dartmouth used to be described as the golden age of computing. Back in the 50s and 60s, we had a bunch of mathematics professors who were way ahead of their time. The first time that the words artificial intelligence were put together were at a 1956 summer workshop at Dartmouth with names like Marvin Minsky, Claude Shannon, the 20 people of who is who in AI or information theory today. As IT has become more commoditized, we kind of slipped away from working together and trying to make something better happen. So now we're trying to undergo an effort to get back to more of a partnership and actually enhance what they're doing in their job instead of just providing the mere basic that they need to do their job. And I think with this Juniper and Mist new network upgrade, we're very much trying to deliver exactly that.